Hey guys, hey, it is XayLi Barclay of XayLiBarclay.com. I'm the creator of the Start Shoot Grow Video Academy. Today, we are talking about a few things that I am doing differently in 2022. I'm so excited. I feel like we took 2021 to figure out a bunch of things, especially as it pertains to the YouTube channel, the business. And so in this video today, we're going to be talking about things that I will be doing differently on the YouTube channel. And I just want you guys to be open and enjoy this journey with me again this year. We are on the road to 10K. I'm super excited about that. But I have a few things that I feel like just stumped my channel growth that I tested, and I'm going to share that with you in this video. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I am going to bring this chair all the way down. I want to talk to you guys, but I need this camera to see what I'm doing. Right? Perfect. I think I have something here. Let's see. So, what was I gonna say? All right. I think I finally got it the way that I would want. So here's the thing. One thing that I feel like I don't want to say I did wrong on my channel, but I won't be doing it on my channel moving forward, is going live on my main channel. I feel like YouTube likes you to pick a specific content type. So when I say content type, I mean if you're a vlogger and you have vlog content coming out, then awesome. If you are a tutorial channel and you usually have tutorial format content, then you're fine. If you are a, did I say live channel already? I can't remember. But, no, I did not. So if you're a channel that just goes live and that's your medium of content, I realize that they just like you to stick to a specific medium, right? So this is me just sharing like what I've realized over time, what I realized YouTube likes and what they don't like. So that I've definitely realized that they prefer that you niche yourself and use one specific type of content. Because I love my tutorial content and my channel is based on like business and sharing tips and things like that, this kind of video would be awesome here, right? So this is what we would continue to share here. I do have a backup vlog channel that I created last year, I think at the beginning of last year, but I did not continue sharing on it because I wanted to really focus on this channel and test a few things and try a few things. If you are under 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, the best time to test things is now. Right? So for me, I'm about to hit 10,000. And so I feel like I've tested and tried and I kind of understand or know what medium I want to flow with. Now, I love going live when I get to connect with you guys going live, and it is such a beautiful experience. I did a lot of lives in 2019 into 2020. But I am going to now keep my live content for inside of my Facebook group only. That is the only place that we will be going live. And you guys know when we go live, it's a party. So if you want to get into that Facebook group because you want to know more about video content, online courses, and how you can use video content to just, help your business flourish, establish brand presence, establish a solid online presence, sell more courses, be the person that is like desired in your industry, join the Facebook group because 2020 in that Facebook group is going to be absolutely amazing. So that's where I will be going live, right? So this is my content strategy or content type strategy for 2022. Join the Facebook group down below in the description box. Get down there because that's where we'll be doing that. Now, with all that said, vlog content will be over on the vlog channel, right? So I'm going to separate my vlogs and put them over on that channel. And I feel like on the vlog channel, I have so much to share and so much to say that I just may not necessarily share here kind of thing. So definitely head over there. If you loved our vlogs and you loved hearing me talk about the back end of the business and things like that, head over to the vlog channel. I'll have that link down there, or we'll probably pop it somewhere here. You guys know how that goes. Now, in saying all of that, we will continue sharing really bomb content on this channel, but it will be pre-recorded kind of like this video. And it will be engaging, exciting, and all that jazz, but it's going to be here on this channel, right? So we will be showing up here, sharing goodness with you. And I'm saying we because definitely built my team over the past 2 years, and I'm still building. So this has turned more into a team project than just me, right? Past 3 years. So yeah, I wanted to update you guys, but there are things that I want you to take away from this as well. Example, let me know down in the comments what content type, like what content format are you using specifically? Are you going to be using live content? Are you going to be using pre-recorded content? Are you going to be using vlog content? Like what vibe is your YouTube channel? What kind of content are you providing for your audience? I want to know. Let me know down in the comments. And listen, don't forget to join us in the Facebook group if you want to get into our juicy lives where I answer questions, and I do a lot of teaching in there as well. You can head down below to do that. And let me know if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, or a thumbs down if that's your preference. That's totally fine too. And if you have not subscribed yet and you're all the way here, listen, do us a favor and just subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.